Welcome to my tutor. This is my first edition of Additional Mathematics Cambridge IGCSE, February-March 2021, paper 1-2. Let's go. Find the exact solution of the equation 3 ln x 5x squared plus 5 ln 2 ln x minus 1 equals 0. Okay. So you can either make a substitution, or if you know how to factorize directly, you can factorize that directly. Here I'm going to factorize directly. 3 ln 5x ln 5x plus 1 minus 1 0. So you have 3 ln 5x minus 1 equals 0, or ln 5x plus 1 equals 0. So you have ln 5x equals to 1 over 3, or ln 5x equals minus 1. 5x equals to e to the power 1 over 3. 5x equals to e to the power minus 1. Nearly there. X equals to 1 over 5, e to the power 1 over 3, or x equals to 1 over 5 e. Okay, we have it. 2 solution. Next question. The diagram shows the graph of y equals say a sine bx plus c, where x is in radians, between minus 2 pi and pi, where a, b, c are positive quantities. Find the value of each a, b, and c. Just for those who are interested in A levels, this will be under graph transformation. But now here, A would be the amplitude. So if you look at the graph, the center line is here. Amplitude is this. This is A. This will be A. So A is 3. B would be the B would be the 2 pi over B would be the period. Okay. 2 pi over B will be the period. So 2 pi over B is the period. So the period is 4 pi. So B is equals to half. Okay. And C will be the translation, the vertical translation. So it moves up from 0 to 4. That's 4. So C is 4. You have it, the 3 solution. Next, the line AB is such that the point A and B have coordinates minus 4, 6, and 2, 14 respectively. The point C with coordinate 7A lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the value of A. So you find the gradient of AB, which is 14 minus 6 over 2 minus 4, which is 8 over 6, which gives you 4 over 3. So the gradient of the perpendicular with the negative reciprocal minus 3 over 4. Okay, so midpoint, point of AB, minus 4 plus 2 over 2, 6 plus 14 over 2. So you get minus 1 and 10. So this is the midpoint. So the gradient of the line of the midpoint, minus 3 over 4 would be the gradient, is 10 minus A over minus 1 minus 7. Okay. So this is 8 minus 8 times 3 over 4. So 10 minus A equals to minus 3 over 4. Sorry, minus 8. Plus, this is 2. 10 minus A equals to 6, A equals to 4. Okay. Given that the point D also lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB, find the coordinates such that the line AB bisects the line CD. So the midpoint of AB will be the midpoint of CD. AB also midpoint of CD. Huh? A is 4, so it's 7, 4. So this is 7 plus x over 2, 4 plus y over 2, assuming D has a coordinate of xy. Huh? So just now we have the coordinate of the midpoint is minus 110. So 7 plus x equals to minus 2, x equals to minus 9. 4 plus y equals to 20, y equals 16. There you have it. Show that 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 can be written in the form ax plus b squared. This is the complete square form. First, factor out the 2 with the coefficient of x squared. So it'll be plus 5 over 2x minus 3. Huh? Then complete the square. So it's half of 5 over 2 is 5 over 4 square minus 5 over 4 square. Then expand. 2 times 25 over 16 is 25 over 8 minus 3. X plus 5 over 4. So 3 times 8 is 24 plus 25 is 49. Okay. Hence, write down the coordinates of station point of the curve with equation. So if you know, this will be the x coordinate, this will be the y coordinate. So you need to write down only. So it's minus 5 over 4, minus 49 over 8. Okay. Yes. Oops. 5 over 4. So it's this minus of this and this value. Okay. On the axis below, sketch the graph of y equals to still in coordinates of the intercepts. Minus 5 over 4 minus 49 over 8. Intercept with the axis. Okay. So I have to work it out here. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. 2x x plus 3 minus 1. X is half. X is minus 3. This will be the x-intercept. Y-intercept will be x is 0, y is 3. So you have a graph, half and minus 3. It looks something like this. Something like this, okay? So what I'm going to do is, this part of the graph will be reflected above the x-axis because it's a modulus graph. Okay, so I'm going to redraw. Okay, so this will be minus 3, this will be half. This point would be 3. This maximum point minus 5 over 4, 49 over 8. Okay, there you have it. Write down the value of k for which has 3 distinct solutions. So these 3 distinct solutions is when the line is here. Okay. So the line is y equals to 49 over 8. So the line is, this line is y equals to 49 over 8. Therefore, k equals to 49 over 8. Okay, that's it. In this question, all lengths are in kilometers and time in hours. Both A sails with constant velocity from a point O with position vector OO. After 3 hours, A is at the point with position vector -12. Find the position vector of OP of A at time T. So after 1 hour, it will be at this point. Goes to 4. So the position vector OP will be equal to T times -4, 3. Okay. At the same time, as A sails from O, both B sails from a point with position vector 12, 6, with constant velocity -5, 8. Find the position vector of OQ. So this is like a vector equation in A level. So the starting point is 12, 6. OQ will have a starting point of 12, 6 plus the time in hours times the velocity. Okay, so that's the answer. Show that the time t pq square equals 3060 square plus 3060 plus 180. Or pq square. So pq equals to minus OP plus OQ. So this will be 12 minus 5t 6 plus 8t. This is OQ, minus 4t 3t. Okay. So this will equal 12 minus 5t plus 4t. So 12 minus t. 6 plus 8t minus 3t. 6 plus. Okay. So the magnitude of PQ square would be 12 minus t squared plus 6 plus 5t squared. Okay. So this will be equal to 144 minus 24t plus t squared plus 36 plus 60t plus 25t squared. So simplifying, you get 26t squared is to counted for. 60 minus 24 is plus 36t, and 36 plus 144 is 180. There you have it. Okay, and show that A and B do not collide. Okay, so if they collide, PQ square will be 0. That means the distance will be between P and Q will be 0. So 26T square plus 36T plus 180 equals to 0. Now you need to show that this has no solution. So you're going to find the value of the discriminant. 6 square minus 4 times 26 times 180. This is a negative value. Therefore, no solution means does not collide. Okay. Geometric progression has first term 10 and sum to infinity 6. So this is A equals to 10 as infinity equals 6. So the formula is S if D is 1 minus R. So 6 equals to 6 minus 6R equals to 10. R equals to 6R equals to minus 4 minus 2. Okay. Let's find the sum of the first 7 terms given. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal place. So you want S7. Get a calculator. Okay, back. So the formula is A 1 minus R of n 1 minus R. So this is 7. So this will be 10 1 minus 2 over 3 to the power of 7. 1 minus 2 over 3. Okay. Okay, to 2 decimal place, you will equal 6.35. Okay, something is wrong. Now you got to be careful because it cannot be larger than 6 because the sum to infinity is 6. So I'm going to calculate again. I made a mistake. That's possible because of the ratio that is a negative value. Okay, this is correct. The first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression is log x3, log x3 squared, and log x3 cubed. Find the common difference of this progression. So difference you minus subsequent terms. So log x3 squared minus x3. So minus you divide. So it will be log x3. That's the difference. In terms of n and log x3, the sum of the n to n terms of this progression. That's n, 2, A plus n minus 1d. It's n over 2 log x 3 plus n minus 1 x 3 log x3. So this is equals to n 2. If you want to expand, you can expand. But if you do not want, then you can leave. Okay. So they asked to simplify. So 3, this is n, so you need to simplify. So this is n over 2. This 2 you add is 3 times 3 to the power of n. So it is log x3 of n plus 1. Okay. Given that the sum to n terms is 3081 x log x power of 3, find the value of x. So you can simplify further. You can bring the power down. So this will be n plus 1. So it becomes simpler. So in this instance, therefore, n plus 1 over 2 3081. So expanding minus 6162 equals 0. So solving this, so this will have n minus 78 and plus 79. So n is a positive value, therefore n equals 78. That's it. Hence, given that the sum to n terms is equal to 1027, find the value of x. Okay. So n plus 1 over 2 x3 equals to 1027. So this is 3 power of n. You can use the power, it's to x power 1027. Two, 4, 3 times 3. 81, 243 times 3. 3 to the power of 7. 3 power 7. 2187. Let me think for a while. Okay, let's not make it too complicated. This is just a 2-mark question. So the keyword in this question is this, also equal. So you have 3081 log 3x x3. X3 equals to 1027. So log x3 equals to 1 over 3. Okay. X to the power 1 over 3. X to the power 1 over 3. Oh, let's not do it this way. Log x3 equals to 1. So x equals to 3 cubed equals to 27. Okay, that's it. Do not use a calculator. When they ask you not to use a calculator, you can use a calculator, but you must show you're working. The diagram shows a trapezium ABCDE such that AB is parallel to EC and ABCD is a rectangle. It's given that ABC is root 17 plus 1, AD is root 17 minus 1, and DC is root 17 plus 4. Find the perimeter of the trapezium, giving your answer in A plus B root 17. Okay, first you need to find AB. AE, sorry. AE square equals to root 17 minus 1 square plus root 17 plus 1 square. So this will be 17 minus 2 root 17 plus 1 plus 17 plus 2 root 17 plus 1. So this will be equal to 34, 36. So AE is 6. Okay. So the perimeter 17 minus 1 plus 2 times 17 plus 4 plus root 17 plus 1 plus 6. Root 17. So this is 4 root 17. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel off. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. That's the solution. Okay. Find the area of the trapezium, giving your answer in the form C plus D root 17. So the area is the height, which is root 17 plus 1. Over to the sum of the parallel sides. So it's root 17 plus 4 plus 2 root 17 plus 3. Okay. So root 17 plus 1. This is root 17. 3 root 17 plus 7. Okay. Now you're going to expand. Root 17 times 3, root 17 is 3 times 17, which should be 51. Plus 7 root 17 plus 3 root 17 plus 7 over 2. Finally, the answer is 51 plus 7, 58 over 2. Oh, my rule dropped down. 58 over 2 is 29. Plus 10 root 7 over 2, 5 root 17. That's it. Sometimes you gotta wait a while before you scroll. Find tangent AED giving an answer in the form A plus E plus F or something. Tangent AED. AED is this. It's opposite over adjacent. Oops, sorry. Tangent AED root 17 plus 1 over root 17 minus 1. So this is opposite over adjacent. So you need to rationalize. So you multiply by root 17 plus 1 over 17 plus 1 equal 17 plus times root 17 is 17 plus 2 root 17 plus 1 over 17 minus 1. So this will equal to 18 over 16. 9 over 8. Supposed to be. So this is 18 plus 2 root 17 over 16. 9 plus root 17 over 8. Okay. Show the second square AED equals to this. So this one you got to use the identity. So it is 1 second square AED equals to 1 plus square AED. This is 1 plus 9 plus root 17 over 8 square. 64. 9 times 9, 81. Plus 18 root 17 plus 17. Okay, equal 64. 64 plus 8 plus 18 root 17. This is 162 plus 18 root 17 over 64. And there you have it. Plus 9 root 17 over 32. That's it. Next question. Show that sin x tangent x plus cos x equals to secant x. You need to start from the left-hand side, which is longer. So sin x, tangent x change to sin x over tangent over cos x, which is the identity of tangent x. Plus cos x equal to sin square x over cos x plus cos x, making it into a single fraction. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Secant x. That's it. Shown. Hence, solve the equation in 0 and 4 pi. This is important. Okay. So this will be secant theta over 2 equals 4. Cos theta over 2 4. 2 equals to cos. Now, this is these two quadrant, first and the fourth quadrant. Okay. Remember to change the mode or a degree to radian. Shift cos 1 over 4. 1.32. And the other one is 2 pi minus 1 equals to 2.64 9.93. There you have it, the two solution between 0 and 4 pi. Solve the equation cotangent y plus 38 equals to root 3. So this is tangent y plus 38 degrees equals to 1 over root 3. So this will be 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So tangent positive is the first and the third quadrant. So this is 210 degrees, which corresponds to the quadrant. Now I'm going to add one more cycle, 360 plus 30 degrees. For the simple reason, 30 minus 38 will be a negative value. So answer must lie between 0 and 360. So this is 172 degrees. 352 degrees. That's it. Okay. Polynomial px is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 1 has a factor 2x minus 1. Find px in terms of 2x minus 1, where qx is a quadratic factor. Okay. So px. So you can do a long division or the synthetic division method. I will choose the synthetic division method, which is simpler. Okay. So this will be 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1. This is half. Bring down the 2 times the half. Plus you get minus 2 times the half. Plus you get minus 2 times the half. And you get 0. Okay. So the quotient, you need to divide by 2. X squared minus x minus 1. Okay. So px 2x minus 1 x squared minus x minus 1. So you can always expand to make sure that the answer is correct. The diagram shows the graph of y equals to 1 over x, or x larger than 0, and the graph of y equals to minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. The curve intersect at the point AB. Using answer in part A, find the exact x coordinate of A and B. So 2x squared minus plus 3x plus 1 equals to 1 per x. Multiplying by minus x, you get 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x equals minus 1. So 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. So this will, of course, should be the polynomial that we have earlier. So when you factorize, you get 2x minus 1. x squared minus x minus 1. So you have here x equals to half, or x squared minus x minus 1 equals to 0. X is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4, 1 minus 1 over 2. So you need a positive value. So you should be the positive value. So you're not going to take the minus because it's a positive value. So this is A. So this is A. This would be B. A is to the left. So this is B. 1 plus 5. Okay. And the exact area of the shaded region. So the exact area is 0 to half 2x squared minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Which should be here, which should be this area, and this area. Okay. Plus this is what 1 plus root 5 over 2. 1 over x dx. This is the area. So you need the exact area. It's funny, very funny. So this will be minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared over 2 plus x. 0 plus integrating 1 over x, you get ln x. 1 plus 5, 2.5. Okay. So this will be half cube is 1 over 8 times 2 is 1 over 4. Divided by 3 is minus 1 over 12. Half square is 4 times 1 over 4 times 3 over 4 over 2 is 3 over 8. Plus half minus 0 plus ln 5 over 2 minus ln half. Okay. So this will give you 24 minus 2 plus 3 times 9 plus 12. Divided by half. So this is ln 1 plus root 5. Okay. So 19 over 24 ln 1 plus root 5. There, this is the exact solution. Very tricky question. The curve has equation y equals 2x squared plus 10 to the power of 3 over 2 over x plus, where x is larger than 1. So the divide dx can be written in this form. A, B, and C are integers. So you need to do quotient rule. So in this IGCSE, they don't give you much room. So you have to be prudent in your working. 2x squared plus 10. Power minus 1 is half. You differentiate 2x squared plus 10 is 4x. minus x squared plus 10 3 over 2 then differentiate x minus 1 is 1, okay, over x minus 1 squared. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in simplified form first. This 3 over 2 is 3 over 2 times by 4x will be 6x. So I'm going to write it in front. 2x squared plus 10 of 3 over 2 minus 2x squared plus 10 x minus 1 squared. Now the trick here is to factorize. So you have this as a common factor. Always take the power that is lower. So you will have lower power is half. Factor out half. Okay. Oops. I put the wrong one. Correct it. This one is half. This one is 3 over 2. This is half. This is 3 over 2. So you have this 6x times x minus 1. So it will be 6x squared minus 6x minus this 2x squared plus 10. When you take 2x squared plus 10 power half times 2x squared plus 10, you get 2x squared plus 10 to the power of 3 over 2. That's the reason why. So this x minus 1 squared. I'm going to take these two terms out. That's what the question wants. Okay, so this is 2x squared plus 10 to the power over x squared. And I'm going to simplify here, which will give you answer for A, B, and C. So 6x squared minus 2x squared is 4x squared minus 6x minus 10. That's the answer. Okay. Show that for x larger than the curve has exactly one stationary point. Okay. So you have, if find stationary points, dy dx is 0. Okay. So you have 2x squared plus 10, 4x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0. So you get 2 squared plus 10. So 2x minus 3 minus 5. That's 5. So you have this, there's no solution. So you have x equals to 5 over 2, or x equals to minus 1. So this is rejected. So there's only one solution for x larger than 1. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. If you like and subscribe, put a comment. I will share this working with you. Thank you and bye for now.